Good evening everyone, I am Rahid.
Hi, I am Shamit.
Hi, I am Ashish.
Hi, I am Yasin.
Hi, I am Anwar.
And today we are going to discuss how Coke is able to give value through its product strategy. First, we are going to concentrate on value. And then focus on the product strategy. Let's explore the value part with the help of the Customer Perceived Value or the CPV model. The CPV model suggests that the actual customer perceived value is the difference between total perceived benefits and total perceived costs. In the case of Coca-Cola, if we put all the relevant perceived costs in one side and all the perceived benefits on the other side, we will see that the sum of all the customer perceived benefits are higher than all the customer perceived costs. Coke presents some costs and some benefits. However, the most significant benefits that Coke delivers are in the area of personal benefits. Here are a few slogans from the history of Coke that address especially the area of personal benefits. Now let's look into the product strategy part. We will explore the following four aspects of product strategy: product characteristics and classification, differentiation, product and brand relationships, and finally, packaging, labeling, warranties and guarantees. Within the product characteristics and classification aspect, we will look into the two areas of product levels and product classifications. Within the product levels, which is also known as the customer value hierarchy, Coke would be placed at the augmented product level. This is because Coke vigorously compete with other rival products by attempting to exceed customer expectations. In the case of Coke, core benefit would be the basic needs that Coke is able to fulfill, such as thirst, refreshment or just pleasure. Whereas the basic product is the carbonated drink itself, an expected product would be the same taste and quality of the drink in every bottle. Now under the product classifications, Coke can be easily identified within the convenience goods category, under the consumer goods, as it is purchased frequently, immediately and with a minimum of effort. Now let's look into the differentiation aspect. In short, we can say that Coke has been differentiating itself again and again, in order to build a strong brand by addressing the form, feature, style and design of the products. The following images will illustrate how Coke has been differentiating itself time after time. Now let's see how Coke has been successfully exploiting its product and brand relationships, and we will only touch upon the most significant areas. First, let's briefly look into Coke's product line width, length, depth and consistency under product systems and mixes. Coke has a product portfolio of more than 3,500 beverages under 500 brands worldwide, spanning from sodas to energy drinks to soy-based drinks. Here is a subset of Coke's product line, where we can demonstrate Coke's significant product mix width and product line length. We can also see that Coke exploits the depth of its product mix. We can also say that Coke has been playing on the consistency of its product mix strategy, since Coke mainly competes in the beverages market. Moreover, Coke has been vigorously employing the line-stretching strategy to reach more than 3,500 beverages and thus delivering value to a large customer base. Coke uses mixed bundling, which is categorized under product mix pricing. For example, bulk buying is cheaper than single consumption of Coke. Furthermore, Coke has successfully utilized the co-branding strategy in a number of occasions. For example, Coke partnered with Brown-Forman Corporation to co-brand with Jack Daniel's liquor. Coke has also co-branded with McDonald's. Let's now look into packaging, labeling, warranties and guarantees. Packaging contributes to instant recognition of the company or brand, and Coke takes packaging and labeling very seriously. Coke recognizes the innovation opportunity in this area, and has been investing significantly in packaging and labeling over the years. Finally, we would like to end the discussion with a nice video demonstrating an example of innovative packaging and labeling from Coke.
Coca-Cola has satisfied our thirst every summer since 1886. So how can Coca-Cola stay so refreshing after all this time? By creating the real ice-cold Coca-Cola. Coke in a bottle made of actual ice.
Ay, negrita, mi corazón, si yo te quiero.
An average of 265 real ice-cold Coca-Cola bottles were sold every hour. A rate of sale 12 times greater than standard Coca-Cola, even though the ice bottles were 90% more expensive. No bottles were left in the kiosks or on the beach either. No trace except for the happiness it leaves behind.